Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on POCO M8 Pro. The first thing that you need to do is you need to turn off your phone. So we're going to use the power button and volume up button in order to open the power menu. There we go. And we're going to slide up in here in order to shut down the phone. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds to let the phone completely turn off. Once that happens, you'll have to press and hold the power button to turn it on. And once you see the POCO logo, you want to count to 8 and then press and hold volume down. So let's give it a try. So first we're going to press and hold the power button. And we're going to wait for the POCO logo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's press and hold volume down. And now we just need to hold it until we feel another vibration, which usually happens when we see the Xiaomi Hyper OS. There we go. So when the screen switches to Xiaomi Hyper OS and you can feel like a longer vibration, this means that you successfully have entered the safe mode, as you can see over here. Now, if you want to deactivate the safe mode, if you want to exit it, you just have to reboot your phone. So we're gonna once again open the power menu. There we go. And we just have to restart our phone. And now our phone will go back to the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.